If you don't want to pay $99 per month and want a free lifetime account for selling digital products and don't have credit card, then you can watch this video till the end. Hi friends, welcome. I am again here with an exciting video. You can also visit my website iamagainhere.com. In this website, I am writing about making money online, lifetime deals, best hosting guide, website, freebies, and more. So you can visit my website. Now let's talk about that how you can get a free funnel for lifetime without paying a single penny. Let's see first what you are getting in free. Friends, you are getting everything you need to sell products online. Not just a page and a funnel builder, but you will also able to add unlimited products, build brand website with full navigation, custom domain, unlimited bandwidth and hosting. You can sell products just with one click upsells. As you can see, there are more features you can, as you can see here. Now friends, I am providing the link in the description. When you click on that link, you will land to this particular page and you just need to click here, get started now for free. You can click here. Now simply put your information, first name, last name, email, username, password and confirm password, and now you will get complete access to free for life. Now after that you will receive confirmation email. When you click on confirmation link, you will able to access this page. Now I am going to show you the overview of this. Friends, as you can see, this is the complete software for selling our digital products. Let's see, I will show you a demo that how you can build a website using this. Now friends, as you know that we have free access to this, so we are able to build 3 websites for free. And after that, if you want to build a website or more funnels, you need to pay just one time fee, but this is limited time offer, and after that they will start charging monthly fee. As you can see, I have 2 websites already and I have only one more website option. So now I will show you a demo that how it is work. Now click on new site. As you can see, there is an option of template. When you click on that, friends, in free plan you are able to access only these 4 templates for free and all these premium templates, as you can see. But there is a benefit that if you can upgrade now, you need to pay once in your life and never again, but if you upgrade later, you need to pay monthly. So this is offer is for limited time. If you want to build a funnel from scratch, you can simply click here, but for now I am clicking here. Now I am selecting this. First I want to show you that how it is responsive. As you can see, this is completely responsive funnel in mobile, in tablet, tab, laptop, or even in desktop. It is completely responsive. Now let's do some editing. As you can see, we can do any type of editing. We can change transparency, we can change this color, or we can add more elements. As you can see, there is almost all the stuff available which is need to build a complete funnel. Elements, as you can see, columns, 4 columns, and this is a complete funnel builder, but this offer is for limited time. Pages. Now let's review this, how it is looking. As you can see friend, this is a complete funnel which we need to build to sell our products. Now let's talk about some awesome pricing. As you can see in your dashboard, there is an option to upgrade. Now let's learn more about it. Click on it. As you can see, just only for limited time they are offering lifetime access on low price. It means you need to pay one time fee in your life and never again. As we know that in other platforms like ClickFunnels we need to pay 99 or more for per month. As you can see, their plan is coming soon, $99 and $199 per month, but you can get now lifetime just by paying one time fee. Now if you are interested, you can read their awesome features which a proper funnel builder person need to sell their digital products. If you want, you can click here, upgrade to lifetime. As you can see, lifetime upgrade in full, just you need to pay $1,397 one time and you will getting full access of this awesome funnel builder where you can getting awesome features just in the price of one. So if you are interested, I am providing the link in the description. Click on that link and buy this now. After that they will start charging monthly fee. So thanks for watching this video. Must subscribe my channel and watch my other videos and visit my website iamagainhere.com.